Graph y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 6x plus 13. In order for us to do this problem, what we really need to do is find out where the center of this parabola is going to exist. Okay, so the way we figure that out is we label this invisible A, B, and C. The center is going to exist at the x value of negative b over 2a. So the center of this is going to be at negative 6 over 2 times invisible 1. Okay, because a is invisible 1. So the double negative makes a positive. 6 over 2 is 3. So I now know that I can make a nice little table, and 3 can be the center of it. So let's do 2, 1, let's do 4, 5, and start plugging things in, which is not going to be the most pleasant thing on the planet. Okay, well, let's just do it though. All right, so we have 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 13. 1 squared is 1, 6 times 1 is negative 6, and then you have plus 13, and that's going to end up being 8. 2 is going to be 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 13. 4 minus 12 plus 13 is going to be 5. 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 13 is going to be 9 minus 18 plus 13, which is going to be 3. 4 squared minus 6 times 4 plus 13 is going to equal 16 minus 24 plus 13, which is 5. And last but not least, 5 squared minus 6 times 5 plus 13 equals 25 minus 30 plus 13, which equals 8. So we have our points. Okay, 1, 8 is a point. 2, 5 is a point. 3, 3 is a point. 4, 5 is a point. And 5, 8 is a point. Now, this is greater than or equal to. Okay, that's thing number one that we haven't even done like the heavy-duty part of the graph yet. We just put dots there. That's greater than or equal to. The or equal to part says that we are going to make a solid graph like so. I could have done a much better job drawing that out. Made it more curvy looking. I did it again. That just looks awful. Part 2 is the fact that it's greater than, which means what we're going to do is focus on shading above the line, which happens to be inside the graph, inside the parabola looking part. Like that. So what this means is anything on the blue line and anything that's shaded there in purple is a solution to this inequality right here. So it's not so much picking points and graphing the points. You have to remember to do some solid or dashed lines and some shading as well.